In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your video password protected. If you want to control who can watch your video without making it completely private, password protection is a simple and effective option. It gives you an extra layer of privacy by allowing access only to people who have the password, which is especially useful when you're sharing content with a specific group, clients, teammates, or anyone you don't want the general public to access. To get started, open the video you want to protect. Make sure you're on the correct video before changing any settings, especially if you manage multiple uploads. Once the video is open, look for the settings area. This is where you'll find the controls related to how the video is viewed and shared. Inside settings, go to privacy. This section manages who can access the video and under what conditions. You'll typically see different privacy options here, and the one you want is password protected. Select that option to switch the video from its current visibility setting to a password-based access setting. After selecting password protected, you'll be prompted to set a password. Choose something secure but easy enough to share accurately with the people who need access. Avoid using personal or sensitive information in the password. A good practice is to use a combination of letters and numbers so the password is not too easy to guess. Also, make sure you store it somewhere safe if you'll need to share it later. Once the password has been entered, save your changes. This final step is important because the new privacy setting won't take effect until the video is saved. After that, your video will only be watchable by people who have the correct password. Keep in mind that if someone has the video link but not the password, they still won't be able to view the content. So if privacy matters, be sure to share the password only with the intended audience. If needed, you can always return to the same privacy section later to update the password or change the video's visibility setting again. That's it. By opening the video, going into setting, selecting privacy, choosing password protected, setting a password, and saving the changes, you can quickly limit access so only approved viewers can watch.